I think we should welcome it. It is very progressive.
This is a correct approach.
सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला आया है बहुत अच्छा फैसला आया है.
See, it's a judgment which has been passed by the Supreme Court saying that under Article 142, they have the inherent power to dissolve a marriage on the ground that the marriage is irretrievably broken, that there is no way that marriage can be resolved. The Supreme Court can only do this. This is a power which Supreme Court says is only vested with us. And to some extent, this is a correct approach because by the time parties, after fighting their battles from trial court to high court, reach up to the Supreme Court, they're already very tired and they don't want to, most of the couples don't want to live together. So in the absence of any statutory mechanism, Supreme Court has said that if we found or if we find that there is irretrievable marriage breakdown, we can certainly go ahead and declare that the marriage is not valid. So this is a step which would save some amount of litigation. And what is the effect of this? That you would see that multiple cases are filed between couples, husband and wife. So if the marriage is dissolved, then all those pending litigation will also get dissolved.
I think we should welcome it. It is very progressive. At the same time, I have my apprehensions about the implementation of this law because there are so many micro things, which are to be taken care, which actually consume a lot of time of courts, like, alimony maintenance and all those things. How that will be done within that certain period which court has defined. So I think these are the things which are matter of concern. Implementation. Otherwise, I think we should welcome this move.
ने कहा है कि वो अपने आर्टिकल 142 की पावर को यूज करके जो डिवोर्स का मैटर है उसको सीधे सीधे सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डिसाइड कर सकता है. मेरा यह मानना है कि इसका लाभ आम जनता को नहीं मिलेगा. जो धनाढ्य हैं, पैसे वाले हैं, बड़े बड़े वीवीआईपीज हैं, संभ्रांत वर्ग के हैं, उद्योगपति हैं, वो तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट आ जाएंगे. लेकिन सामान्य व्यक्ति जो हाई कोर्ट भी नहीं पहुंच पाता, वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट कैसे आएगा? ज्यादा अच्छा होता कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिवोर्स के मैटर को जल्दी डिसाइड करने के लिए गाइडलाइन बनाता. जो कूलिंग पीरियड 6 महीने का है, जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि 6 महीने की कूलिंग पीरियड को भी खत्म किया जा सकता है. इसलिए मेरा यह मानना है कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला आया है बहुत अच्छा फैसला आया है जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है. लेकिन जो अधिकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने अपने लिए रखा है, ज्यादा अच्छा होता कि यह अधिकार सुप्रीम कोर्ट सभी हाई कोर्ट्स को देता और साथ ही साथ फैमिली कोर्ट को भी दे देता.
I think the verdict is Supreme Court's been very ambivalent on this issue. So there have been voices of the Supreme Court saying 142 can't come where there is substantive justice to be done. But ultimately the last word on this seems to be this judgment at the moment because it is by a bench of 5 judges. And what it seems to say is this, that in case there is a irretrievable breakdown and somewhere they've taken a period of approximately 6 years. So it's just ballpark figure. There'll be harsh cases and according to me, cases of matrimony, the ballpark figure in its own way must be much earlier because ultimately each day of a person's life is so valuable. At the same time, you don't want, and nor can all courts until Parliament brings it, have irretrievable breakdown of marriage.